Imagine a world where automobiles run on a clean, sustainable energy source, hydrogen fuel. This isn't mere speculation, but a fast-approaching reality. Hydrogen fuel has the potential to revolutionize the auto industry, providing an eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Picture the hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, or FCEV, which harnesses hydrogen gas to produce electricity for propulsion. Its only emission is water vapor. Hydrogen's high energy density allows for extended journeys and heavy loads. It refuels quickly, unlike battery electric vehicles with long charging periods. Moreover, hydrogen is renewable, producible from water electrolysis, promising a sustainable fuel cycle. With technological advancements and increasing renewable energy use, hydrogen's future in the auto industry is optimistic. By 2035, we envisage hydrogen integrating seamlessly with the auto industry, coexisting with electric vehicles for a smooth energy transition.